Hey there everyone, we are here with a new tutorial. I'll guide you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code, the latest version. There are primarily two ways actually to install the software. The deliberated one is by using your web browser, and the second one by using your CMD, using as administrator, right? So let me tell you the deliberated one first, then we go to the high one. Just go to your web browser. When you're there with your web browser, just search Microsoft, just type install Visual Studio Code on the typeboard. Just go in the first link. I'll open it in the new tab. There's a download section of the code, Visual Studio Code, and this website is directly from the Microsoft, the official Microsoft. So what you have to do is, I'm telling you in regarding of your Microsoft Windows 10 for the Linux user and for the Apple user, Mac user, sorry, you can use these two options. Otherwise, you'll use this option Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. What you have to install is what you have to select here. Mainly, I'll recommend you to use user installer file, that is the exe file. Just click on it. I hope you are aware of your 64-bit and 32-bit your operating system. Likewise, so I'll go for 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm selecting this one. Just download it. So here, download has been started. So here we are done with downloading, so we have to execute this file for installation. Just click on it. Yeah, see, asking for the license agreement. If you want to read it, you can read it once, no problem at all. Just click the agreement. Next. Yes. Likewise, you have to install in the user directory of the C drive in the app data. There's a default version. You don't have to change any forecast or do anything like that. Just click next. I don't want to create any start menu folder. The start menu folder gets over here for these applications. This one. Yes. Additional subsidies are provided using the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, the additional task like creating desktop icon. Yes, I want for the shortcut. I want to install it in the context menu even. Let's select this one. And this option should be selected by default, and this is necessary. If it is not selected in your system, please do select it, as it is necessary because it requires the shell requirement. The shell is in the terminal, right? You have to install. Let me tell you about this option. There's a context menu. The context menu is this menu. Whenever you get in the directory or when you are on the desktop, right? So what you will do is if you right click on it, you'll get an option with the open with code. So it makes it easy for you to open any file with just code in a second with a click. So here we are with a good option, right? Click next, and I'm installing it. It takes time. Depends on the processor, on the system, right? No problem at all. Yeah. Now we just the code. Now let's finish it. Installation. Yes. So here is the start menu of the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Here you can select your theme, right? dark icons. I prefer to select a dark color. Like this one is the most preferred one. This is 30. And yeah, I have recently installed and uninstalled the software. So here with the cache folder with just find in automatically. So for my GitHub account. So you don't need to do anything right here. Just go over here and click, just select all these options and then you are done. Just close this one and you have just installed our Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now you have like if you use for any language like Python, C++, C, or any web development, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, just create new file, Control N, or just save it on a desktop, right? On desktop, hello file. So you just save the hello file. So as soon as you install this, save it as a PY file, like Python file. It will show the recommendation extension for this. The extension are really necessary for you to execute the executable file or run it in the terminal, right? So you have to install it. It's a recommendation from this. That's all. That's what you have to need to do. And likewise, I have told you earlier in the starting of the tutorial, there's a delimited option for installing Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I'm now telling you the new way to install this one. It's just like the time I used that option, I was bemused and I was said, like how this possible. But yeah, let me tell you, if you want to use this option, you have to install Winget. And I'm too sorry for those person who are having Windows 8 or Windows 7, like a downgrade of the Windows 10, because the Winget option is only available in Windows 10 and in the latest version. And for the Windows Get option, you have to even install it. It's not by default. It has been regarded that you will be having Windows 10 in near future, the installation package. So no need to worry. I'm telling you how to do Winget. Just search. If you try to execute this command without installing Winget, you'll get an error. You'll get nothing. So don't try to do it the time until you have installed this Winget, the installer package. Do not worry, I'll make a tutorial of how to install Winget even. So do not worry. So see, likewise you have got this option. Just copy this one. It's telling you that Winget is supporting Microsoft Visual Studio Code and other like all the software and command using this and for this version. So I just copied this one. Now the thing is that we have to install it using Winget. Get install. Good. The time I'll press enter, you'll get to know that the file will be downloaded using the official website of Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Likewise, we went over there and it will be installed automatically. And the time it was installed, when I get to know about this, I was bemused and I was said like, how is this possible? It saved a lot of time. So I'll recommend you people to get on Windows 10 and try to install Winget as soon as possible. So it nearly save a lot of time for the user to install all these types of software and IDEs in the desktop PC or laptop, whatever you are using. So that's it. That was the necessary part that was required to be understood by you people. So let us see in the next video. See you soon. Thank you so much.